गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स एंड नमस्ते। आज हम एक नया वीडियो लेके आपके पास आ गया। अगर आपके पास कोई टू व्हीलर हो या मोटरसाइकिल या स्कूटी और आप ट्रेन में एक डेस्टिनेशन में भेजना चाहते हो, इफ़ यू वांट टू सेंड योर टू व्हीलर, स्कूटर और मोटरसाइकिल थ्रू ट्रेन, then I will tell you what are the steps you should follow so that you can safely send your two wheeler or scooter to that any particular destination. Now first you need to reach your origin station. Now in my case what had happened, my son had a scooty which was required to be transported to Koraput. कोरापुट ओडिशा में एक remote place है where he has gone for studies, so he required his scooty to be sent there. So what I did, I had to reach the parcel office. My origin station is Howrah, and since Koraput is under Southeastern Railway, I reached the Southeastern Railway parcel office, which is just after the platform 23 or 24. As you reach there, you will find lot of coolies and packing persons who will come to you for packing your scooty. Now they will ask a rate, but that has to be bargained. They asked me 1200 rupees for packing the scooty, but I finally bargained at 500 rupees. Even you can do your own packing, but my advice is you pack it through them because they know how to pack it. Now before packing, your scooty should be emptied of all the fuel, petrol it's in the petrol tank, and they will drain all the petrol like this, and once the petrol tank is empty they will start the packing. Once the packing is completed, they will take it to the parcel office, and the parcel office is little bit distance away from that warehouse, so all this job will be taken by them. If you try to do it alone, you have to do it on your own, so that is quite difficult, so they do all this service. Now one thing I like to tell you, while you are transporting your two wheeler, it can be done in two ways. Either you can send it as a parcel or you can send it as a luggage. Now for luggage you should have a confirmed ticket by the train you are traveling. So what you have to do, you have to reach at least 5 hours before the departure of the train, and if the train is early in the morning, it should be a day before. So my advice is, it is best if you can carry it in a luggage, but in my case I send it through parcel. Why parcel? Because my son would be carrying a lot of luggages and it will be difficult for him to receive the two-wheeler with all these luggages and transport at the same time, and he will be reaching quite at late, around 8 o'clock. Sometimes the train reaches at 9 o'clock, so it will be a very difficult for him in this remote place. So we send it in a parcel. Thing is, in parcel there are chances of mishandling, so his scooty has received some scratches also, but while it is an luggage, you have some supervision because you reach station before 1 hour before the departure of the train. आप ट्रेन छूटने का 1 घंटा पहले पहुंच गया और कुली को एडवाइस कीजिए जे भैया थोड़ा संभाल के, कुछ टिप्स भी दे दीजिए, तो दे विल टेक वेरी केयरफुली इनसाइड द parcel coaches. Now go to the parcel office where the paper formalities were there, and you have to fill a form, and it will be like this. You can go to Indian Railway parcel website and you can also see the procedures how it is to be done. Now there are the manual booking process. You have to fill the form, that is the forwarding note, that you need to fill it up, where you need to insert all the details of your two-wheeler. Now you should carry your original RC copy xeroxed, your Aadhaar card and insurance copy, and remember it should be the person in whose name the scooty is in the RC book, otherwise it will be, you need an authorization letter, and it is difficult because if it is in somebody else's name. In my case it was in my son's name, so it was very easy. And after filling the form, you need to go to the parcel office. There they will enter in the computer all the details, and finally they will generate the amount to be paid. Now you go to the cash office, pay the amount, and they will provide you a RR receipt, that is the railway receipt. Let me show you how it looks. Now this is an example of the railway receipt. Here all the details will be there. Now this is the person name from whom it has been booked. This is the person's name to who is going to receive it, and the destination station. This is the route through which the parcel will be traveling, and here you see the train number with which your parcel will be sent, and here also are the details and charges, how much you need to pay. I had to pay 1400 plus, around 1465 rupees, and 500 for the packing and coolie charges. I sent the item on 31st July 2024. And remember, this is the receipt, original receipt you have to show while receiving your goods. No WhatsApp copy, scan copy will be entertained. So remember, you need to carry this particular receipt in original. If it is not possible, if you are sending the scooty by somebody, then you have to send this particular receipt through speed post to the person who is going to receive this two-wheeler. तो आपको ये ओरिजिनल रिसीट साथ में रखना होगा वो टू व्हीलर को डिलीवरी लेने का समय में. कोई भी स्कैन कॉपी या प्रिंट आउट कॉपी नहीं चलेगा, आपको ये ओरिजिनल रिसीट संभाल के रखना होगा. Now let me tell you one thing. When you are sending your two-wheeler, you need to insure it, and it will be 1% of the value of the scooter. Normally the packing persons will tell you to insure for 10,000 rupees, so it will be 100 rupees of premium for the insurance. But remember one thing, suppose you have a two-wheeler worth 2 lakh of rupees, and in case it's lost, then you will be compensated for 10,000 rupees. So remember that. So it will be up to you to decide whether you are going to compensate for the entire value, you want to receive the compensation for the entire value of your two-wheeler or not. In my case, the scooty was 7 to 8 years old, and I made an declared insurance for 20,000 rupees. So it was 200 rupees insurance. But remember that in case it's lost, it will be a very loss for you. तो अगर आपका स्कूटी का कीमत 2 लाख रुपया है और आपने 10,000 रुपया वैल्यू दिखाया, तो आपको 10,000 रुपया का ही कॉम्पेंसेशन मिलेगा इन केस द स्कूटी और टू व्हीलर वट एवर इट इज़ इट्स लॉस्ट इन ट्रांजिट या डैमेज इन ट्रांजिट. और आजकल तो देखते ही है ट्रेन का कितना एक्सीडेंट्स ये सब होता है. तो रिमेंबर दैट. Now after paying all the formalities, they will write all the details on your scooty. The railway personnel will check whether there is any traces of petrol or not, and finally your scooty is ready for transportation. तो पार्सल ऑफिस आ गया, तो इधर तुम लोगों को पार्सल का पैकिंग वाला आदमी मिल जाएगा. वो आके पैकिंग कर देगा तुम्हारे लिए. प्राइस थोड़ा नेगोशिएबल रहता है. रास्ता में पानी हो गया इसलिए रुकना पड़ा.
कल रात में इतना जोर से बादल फटा है ना, कहाँ गिरा मालूम नहीं.
हाँ बहुत. तो
सुना तू बादल फटा
तो पेट्रोल पूरा खाली कर. हाँ तो पेट्रोल पूरा खाली कर दिया. हाँ तो पेट्रोल खाली नहीं होगा तो आपका गाड़ी चढ़ने नहीं देगा. So that's the way how you book your parcel. You come to the parcel office and you will find some agents who will be packing for you, and you need to negotiate about the price. And once they pack it, you need to go to the parcel office for requisite formalities. फाइनली पैकिंग हो गया. हावड़ा से कोरापुट भेजना है. ये स्कूटी मेरा लड़का का स्कूटी है ये. तो पूरा पैकिंग हो गया. बहुत अच्छा करके पैकिंग किया इन लोगों ने. दादा नाम क्या है आपका? हाँ संजय, इधर आके संजय को ढूंढ लेना, तो वो अच्छा काम करता है, बहुत बढ़िया काम किया है, तो वही सब सामान लेंगे. So the scooty has been nicely packed and now they will take it to the parcel office and there you need to do the rest of formalities. तो पैकिंग अभी हो गया, तो अभी क्लार्क ऑफिस में जाना है, जहाँ जाके इसका फर्स्ट फॉर्म सबमिट करना है, वो एंट्री होगा कंप्यूटर में, उसके बाद पेमेंट करना है. तो ये प्रोसीड्यूर होने के बाद हम फिर वापस आएंगे. तो चलिए पेमेंट वाला ऑफिस में जा रहे हैं अभी. So let's go to the clerk office where they will calculate all the charges and enter in their computer, and after that we need to pay the amount, parcel amount. And remember, here everything has to be paid in cash. No online or card system is allowed here, so you need to bring cash to do this job. इधर सिर्फ कैश ही चलता है, कोई ऑनलाइन ये सब फैसिलिटी है नहीं.
बच गया उसका ये सब फलिया वगैरह बच गया.
The counter where the papers will be entered, यही आके आपको एंट्री करना पड़ेगा. चलिए यही वाला है ना काउंटर. सो दिस इज द काउंटर. So after payment of the fees, you get a receipt like this. This is the railway receipt, and I had to pay 1450 for this transportation charges. Now he will fix a barcode, and finally the job is finished. And you will receive an SMS with an OTP, and all the transits, loading, everything will be notified through SMS to your phone, and you can also check it on the website. Now this is the tracking page where you can enter your RR receipt. So if I want to track it, it's not showing since it has been delivered for a long time. Once you go for the tracking, you will get a message like this, and here you can track where the luggage or parcel was loaded, by which train it has been loaded, on what date it has been loaded, and on what date it has been unloaded, on which station and which platform. So these are the details you will get once you put your RR receipt number, and you get all the details. So in this way you can safely transport your scooty to any destination in India where the Indian Railways having this parcel and luggage service, and it is very convenient and very cost effective, and I hope I have been able to tell you all the details about this procedure. Thank you very much, and goodbye and namaste viewers. Please do subscribe if you find the video useful, because your like and subscribe helps us, our channel, to grow further. Thank you very much.